This fast preview is the 7th of 8 mask types that will be taught. The filter mask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Click the link below if you want detailed information on my recently released training entitled Unmasking the Mystery of the Mask. If you're new to this channel, click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you don't miss any videos like this one, and to help me promote this channel. Thanks for your thoughtful consideration in advance. And remember to share this video with your family, your friends, your enemies, your neighbors, your co-workers, your in-laws, and most of all, the outlaws.